Somebody broke out the windows of the Burlington store. There were some punk kids that were trying to start a riot. See? You see it?
Yeah.
Just some punk kids trying to start a riot. Fortunately, the cops showed up and they were unable to start their little riot. A 19-year-old kid got arrested, but it has not been as bad here as it has been in the bigger cities. So be safe out there. So we're home. We had planned on going to the river. We were going to picnic at the river, and then we were going to do some magnet fishing, and it got really windy. So we just picked up dinner, and Mia has already told me how I should have just listened to her and gone to the park earlier.
Because I literally told him that he should go to the park because I started seeing that
that's not
windy.
True.
And I told him, okay, first of all I asked.
She's exaggerating.
No, I asked when we were going to leave.
You're an exaggerator.
No, I asked when we were going to leave. And he's like, oh, in like an hour. I'm like, okay, but can we like go very soon because it's starting to get windy.
What? I don't remember this conversation.
And then after that hour, he was like, okay, another hour and a half.
I did not.
Yes, you did. And then after an hour and a half,
you are such an exaggerator.
We're like, okay, 5 more minutes. Don't even lie.
I'm not lying. You are an exaggerator.
Anyways, do you guys know the pain that you go through when like your legs are growing? Do you know that?
How do we go from you being exaggerating
okay, just listen, please.
to your legs hurting? Because you know you're not telling the truth.
No, please. Do you know that pain? Like you go through when your legs are
Yes.
growing? They're finally growing. Like finally my legs are finally just growing. But it hurts.
So you're saying you're getting taller?
Yeah, for once in my
You
life.
have a long ways to go because I still have to go like this when I talk to you.
You're rude. Everyone has to go like that in my school.
Can you grab a garbage bag? Alright, so we're just gonna chill. So the girls got Arby's. That's what they wanted. They wanted Arby's. We're gonna try to go on a picnic tomorrow. I don't like Arby's.
You're lost.
Pick up the garbage bag. I've eaten at Arby's before. When I was
because they have a spicy sandwich.
I think when I was like their age.
And I'm Mexican and I can handle it.
And I got sick. I got food poisoning. So I've never really craved Arby's that much. I've had it very rarely. But Arby's always reminds me as being the place that got me sick. So sorry Arby's, but I just don't go there.
The only reason why I eat there is because I have a spicy sandwich and I'm Mexican, so I can handle it. It's true.
You can handle it. Really? So anyway. So, me and Max got the king of the burgers, Burger King. And we're just gonna chill, watch TV, relax,
Burger King.
and take it easy. Cause yeah, they're not happy. They're not happy with me right now. Cause it's not my fault. I don't control the weather.
You should.
Yell at your mother nature. Did you like that? Did you like that? Yeah, I know that was lame. That was a lame joke. But we gotta wake this kid up because he ain't sleeping all day. I told him. He's been sleeping all day, staying up all night, and I told him.
I haven't been sleeping all day.
He's gonna stay up all day. He's gonna be awake for 24 hours for all I care. But he's gonna start sleeping at night like a normal human being.
Okay.
Unless you're an adult who works night shift and you don't have much of a choice. You're gonna get up.
Bringing your own life into this.
I don't work night shift. What are you talking about? How's that bringing my own life into it?
But you said night shift.
I don't work at night.
Oh,
Look at his walls. Max has really decorated his walls with his art. I like your art, dude. I like that. Love makes us stronger. Yeah, man. So get up. Get up. You're not sleeping.
Okay.
Okay. You're gonna sleep at night when it gets dark. That's when normal people sleep. You're not a vampire. Even though you look like one. It's not windy no more. It's nice now. Hopefully it stays like this tomorrow.
And I literally don't know how to do it.
Yes. So. gonna be a nice night. And Max is still asleep. Get some light in here. Life of a teenager.
What?
Good night. Sleeping all night. We're not partying. We're not partying all night. Sleeping all night. Well, hope you all enjoyed your Saturday. We had a lazy one. And like I said, when we wanted to go do something, the wind hit. Now it's dark and all is calm. Thanks for organizing the pantry. Stuff fits. Anyway, bye.